It's now taking much longer to get toxicology results back that used to take a few weeks. State budget cuts left the state laboratory with fewer workers. And as News 13's Maria Medina reports, it's starting to impact court cases.
And just drug and alcohol tests aren't getting done quickly enough. And because of that, suspects in serious crimes could be let out of jail.
Mr. Woodward, I don't believe this gentleman should be out, Your Honor. I believe he will kill somebody else.
Relatives of 18-month-old Brandon Lucero urged a judge this past summer to keep his alleged killer behind bars.
I'm going to set the bond at $1 million cash only. This case is extremely.
But this month, the district attorney had to fight to keep Ramon Rascon locked up because it was taking too long to get blood tests back that could show Rascon was on drugs when he allegedly caused the crash that killed Lucero.
Simply put, we can't hold someone in jail forever without evidence.
DA spokesperson Pat Davis says this could just be the beginning of what's to come.
Only now are we starting to see the effects.
0.0.
State budget cuts left the New Mexico State Laboratory short 23 workers through attrition. A handful of those work for toxicology. A new Supreme Court ruling forces them to now testify in court cases. And when they're not on the stand, they're scrambling to get a lot of the tox tests done. They're now falling behind. Before the cuts, the lab got 90% of tox reports done in a couple months. That percentage has dropped to 60.
We're now seeing delays of 6 to 8 weeks in the very basic cases.
And without evidence, the judge has no reason to keep someone behind bars.
We're at risk of losing a case or essentially losing the opportunity to go to trial, or we're at risk of putting a serial DWI offender back out on the street.
And he says a lot of cases could be at risk of not going to trial for a while. For example, homicide or vehicular homicide suspects could be let out of jail and stay out until their tox results come in. And in some cases, who knows when that will be. Jess?
Okay, Maria, toxicology results are part of autopsies which determine the cause of death. It's only after the investigation is complete that a death certificate can be issued and families can receive any life insurance benefits they may be waiting for.